Adobe Illustrator. How to color fill. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can color fill any shape. So I'm going to show you on a basic shape. However, this can be done on absolutely any shape or image that you would like to do. So I'm going to jump in and we are going to select this block that we've created over here, and on the right hand side you can see all of its properties. Now if you would like to fill this with a different color, underneath the appearance tab there is a fill, and you can go ahead and you can change this fill. So let's perhaps select this fading sky, and then you can see that there are a few other gradient options over here, so you can pretty much change the way it looks and feels. And we can now go ahead and close this box, and you can now see that there is a block and we've changed the color fill. Let us go in again, and let's say we would like to change it to a solid color again. We can go ahead and click on a solid color. Now, let's say we want to section part of this shape or this image and color different sections of it. So on the left hand side, we're going to go ahead and you can see that there is a pencil tool. We're going to right click that, and there is a paintbrush tool, the blob brush tool, and then the pencil tool. You can use any one of these. So we're going to go ahead and select the pencil tool, and now you can pretty much draw freehand inside the shape, and you can now color fill that shape. So for example, we go ahead and we are going to make a shape over here, and what you can do now is while it's selected, we can go over again under appearance, we're going to go to fill, and you can now fill it with whatever color it is that you'd like. Let's say perhaps we would like to actually create a specific shape or a straighter shape. We can go ahead on to the toolbar on the left hand side, and you can look for this option over here. You can now choose any one of these tools, such as the rectangular tool, and you can now make a shape inside of your shape, and you can now fill this. So again, on the right hand side, you're going to go to appearance, and you're going to select the color that you would like to fill in. We can go now again and we can choose a different color. We can choose a different shape, and we can go ahead and you can see that there is now a star. You can also change each one of the points of the star, but for now we're just going to select it, move it in to our space, and on the right hand side again we can go in and we can color fill this whichever color we would like, including that gradient that we did earlier on. So there you go. If you're looking to color fill in Adobe Illustrator, this is a nice, quick, straightforward, easy way to do so. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Happy creating, people. Cheerio.